auto call recording settings in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable the auto call recording option in Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in that case, you have to open up your phone application in the mobile device, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three dot icon and head towards settings. Now once you're on the settings, scroll down and search for an option as call recording, tap on it. Now onto this option, if you could find an option for auto recording, you have to enable the auto recording option. After that, you may be asked to choose whether you want to record all calls, record unknown numbers, or record specific numbers. So you can choose from there, and once enabled, your Realme device will automatically record calls on the basis of your selected preferences. But in case if you're not able to find this option under this call recording in your Realme device, then that means the Realme devices does not support call recording due to the privacy policy. So the application will allow manual recording during the call time. So you can make or receive a call as usual, and once the call is connected, you have to look for the record button on your call screen. After that, tap on it to start recording, and then you will hear the call is being recorded. So in this way, you can auto record your call in Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.